Hi viewers, today we want to do conversion of binary numbers to denary. The first thing is write out what you were given. So after you're done writing out what you're given, we are going to start to label our number starting from the last number to be able to know what is the power it will be raised to. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we can start. So we have 1 times 2 raised to power, what is up there is 5, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 4, plus 0 times 2 raised to power 3, plus 0 times 2 raised to power 2, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Now we are done with the first part. The next part is expand your powers. So we have 1 times 2 raised to power 5 means 2 multiplied in 5 places. So when we multiply 2 in 5 places, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 here is 4. 2 times 2 here is 4. Then we have 2. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 2. That will give you 32. So we have 32 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 4. 2 in 4 places, that's 16 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 3. 2 in 3 places, that is 8. Plus 0 times 2 in 2 places, that is 4. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1. Anything raised to power 1 is that number. And 1 times 2 raised to power 0 is 1. We are done with the second step, so we go to the next step. So 1 times 32 is 32, plus 1 times 16, 16, plus 0 times 8 is 0, plus 0 times be the answer for number 2.